Hi everyone, this is a little video on trying to get this locking ring back onto the main shaft for the second gear on the MG Midget A series. It's a ribbed case gearbox. The Haynes manual just says use a screwdriver and it's really awkward, but the trick is you use these cutouts here and here, which are what hold these tabs on the half washer. You look on the actual part, it's these slots here have to be in line with the pegs, and that's where you push your screwdriver or your knife blade in to push the pegs in. Otherwise you find you can't do it. So I'll just show you on the shaft over here. It's in the vise and I've put the tabs under the pegs on either side, okay, so that when this comes down, you might be able to just see there's the little gap there where your knife blade goes in to push the pegs in on either side. If you don't do it like that, I'm pretty sure you will never do it. So I'll just try and do it now and I'll pass the camera over. So this is the knife I use. It's just an exacto knife, but it's a bit thinner. Just makes it a bit easier. So I'm just going to have a go at doing it now, and hopefully I'll get it in a few seconds. I'll just push one side in and then go around the other side. There's the knife going in that hole there. I think it's this side that's sticking. You can see there, hopefully, if you're having trouble, you can see that's where you get your knife in. You can't get it in here. You can't get, if you try and put it in over the side here, you just can't get one in. It has to go in through the slot which holds the half washers in place. That one's stuck there for some reason. So I'll push one side in and then come round, push the other side in. I think that one's in. That's it. And then it just drops down there like that. And then to lock it, use this little groove here and just give it a twist. In fact, I'll just make sure that the half bearing is sitting in the slots, which they are, and then just twist this round and it will lock, hopefully. Not quite. Go on, turn your bugger. It's not the centre. There you go. That's it. Done.